Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You open Google Earth and go straight to the location you care about. This lets you gather elevation immediately. Once done, make sure 3D and terrain are turned on so elevation contours and heights become available. Next, center the map on the spot and zoom close enough that terrain detail appears. This first step establishes context and data availability. If you skip enabling terrain, elevation tools won't return accurate results. You now create a precise measurement by placing a point or drawing a path with the ruler or Add Path tool. This captures the exact ground locations whose heights you need. Once your path is drawn, right-click it and choose Show Elevation Profile so Google Earth plots altitude versus distance. The profile shows highs, lows, and slopes. Make sure you verify the units shown, meters or feet, because conversion changes the numerical readout. This step explains both how the data is produced and why the profile matters. You finish by hovering or clicking along the elevation profile to read exact heights at any point. Google Earth displays the current elevation and distance markers, so you can extract the value you need. Once satisfied, save the path as KML/KMZ or copy the elevation numbers into your notes or report. If the profile is blank, make sure terrain is enabled, you have a working internet connection, or update Google Earth. These fixes restore missing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.